Greetings, y'all. Back with another freaking video. If you are new to my channel, if this is your first time ever clicking this video, ever seeing my face, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's a vibe over here, okay? Because one thing I'm gonna do is romanticize my life and everything home. You know, we do travel, but we love it home. Anyway, that's not the point. We are going to be doing some at-home workouts, and I'm gonna be working with a kettlebell. I got this kettlebell on a TikTok shop. I will put the link below if you're interested. I love the pink. Pink is super cute. And we're gonna do some cutesy at-home workouts with this kettlebell.
You can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last, I know whack her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 fun. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Lost and choppers and effing for everyone. Take the roof on the